Welcome back to my channel. So today I am here talking about how to increase your thinking abilities, how to expand your thinking capabilities. So here we'll start by thinking abilities are involved in this process. Your brain is involved, your imaginations are involved. So first of all, you need to take care of your brain, how it works. You should know about how brain is working, how your particular brain is working. So I am here giving the tips for a common species of people. It would work. If you find yourself quite a bit different, you can comment down below. I can talk to you and we can discuss about your special problems. So it's something that when we want to expand our thinking abilities. So why this thinking ability is important? It's important especially in the work field. We can find where we are engaged with some creative tasks, some advertisement, some kind of art related something, etc. These are kind of creative fields. Here you need to have a very sharp brain, activate brain, that would help you to be more creative, because the more you are creative, the more you can expand your career. It could be your sole proprietorship, it could be a job you are working under someone, whatever it is. But such kind of people or such kind of fields, such kind of careers need certain abilities to think. So thinking ability is really important in various things. Well, I have given a spiritual thinking process. It also involves spirituality. I have a video on spirituality, so you can go and check there on my channel Life Solutions about spirituality. So here I am discussing about how to expand your thinking abilities while you are engaged in some tasks. Well, I'm not mentioning any particular task. Every task, wherever the creative sense are more important. So how to expand your thinking abilities? So first of all, the thing is that we need to correct ourselves what we do with our brain. Everyone is gifted with a brain, we all know that. So what we do is we always keep in some garbage traps in our brain. Most of the 90% of the things in our brain is garbage trap, like what my friend is doing, what my neighbor is doing, what other is doing, or why someone said this to me, her life is better, his life is better as compared to mine, why I'm not happy, why I'm not this and that. So this kind of garbage things one should first of all take out of the brain. Then you should think about the career you are working on, the activities you are engaged with. One needs to have a clear cut basic informations about that activity first of all, to work on that activity and to bring creativity. Once how creativity comes, first references are always important in every sort of things. First you have to practice with some references, you have to build your skills. How to build a skill, I guess I have made a video, or maybe I'll make it some other day. So first of all, building your skill is important. After that, you have to work on your skill, you have to be more fluent with that skill. After that, you have to decide which particular expertise field you are choosing, because every field has lots of variations once you have extended that field. So once you have decided what you want to do in your life, then you have to see particular references, some examples that in past time people have performed. You have to see all this. First of all, you have to gain knowledge about all of this, and through this process, one thing you can assume that would help in your next and final step, that when you decide to create your own things, your own particular arts, or your own particular concepts, your own particular designs, your own particular creations. So during this process you are learning so much. And what one thing that we fail to observe is that our mind, the much we work on particular field, our mind starts to work very fast, our mind starts to run very fast. Instantly we get lots of ideas to create something. In fact, this also happens with me, so I am able to explain it to you today. so brain starts to work a lot. So that time what happens is ideas, the flow of idea becomes more. So at that time what you need to do is you need to have a notebook, keep a pen with yourself, try to note down whatever comes in your mind, be in it 2 or 3 words, just to remember. Because as we feel that it will be stored in our mind, but actually after 2 days we forget with lots of things, as or lots of stuffs are involved in all everyone's life. So the flow of ideas generate in the mind, once you start to work in something, once you start to gather information, once you start to show your interest and you start working on that, you start to practice a lot of things regarding that particular activity, then your brain activates and it starts to work, because it gets the actual path which you want to put it to. Brain has no idea of where it's working. Whatever it sees, whatever it observes, whatever it gathers, that accumulated thing, it works on it, it thinks on it, it keeps thinking on it. So whatever you are going to store in it, it's going to work upon that. So if you have stored something in it and particular related to that thing, if you store lots and lots of information, so your brain gets a direction, and that your brain starts to work in that, and you get lots of new ideas while you're working of your own, or you're working on some reference tasks. So this way your brain starts to work a lot and it becomes activated. So first of all, bring your mind to that point, and then you start to think whatever you want to create in your life, or whatever things you want to create of your own. So you can find that lots and lots of ideas would come in your mind. Well friends, I would interrupt this discussion by saying that once you have started this process, you will understand the actual transforming happens that's within it. Because if you don't perform it, if you don't try it, if you don't implement it, you are not going to get the result. Because here only I can help you through words, else you have to work of your own, you have to follow the steps. Otherwise it's not possible to get the transformed results which I am giving you, or I am trying to explain it to you. Okay, so next comes the thing is that we fail to observe surroundings. What we do is we keep limited informations in our mind, and we feel that this is okay, this is done, and we have to work with it, and we don't observe the surroundings minutely, which is very important. Try to observe from your surroundings, try to observe whatever sources you have, try to use all of the sources, try to see lots of references, that definitely would work. So next comes, try to get connected to the universe, try to get spiritual like classes. I would suggest everyone to have at least one spiritual guru in their life. Try to get a spiritual class at least once in a month if you are too much busy, because this spirituality helps you to get through the nature, to understand universe, to develop your thinking abilities. And if you don't want to attend spiritual classes, you can attend meditation in your at your home. You can try on meditations, you can try on doing yogas, meditations, especially meditations is most preferable. Try to sit down, try to some spend some alone time, some service, try to spend some time in silence, be with yourself, or spend some time with your own self to understand your own abilities, your disabilities, your capabilities, your potentials. So these are the things that is lacking in human beings. That's why they fail to create something of their own. People who we take as examples in the future, in the past, they were, no one of them were superhumans. They were human beings, common human beings like us, but what they did is they put their total concentration on their mind, on their thinking abilities, on their work. They were not very much interested in outside world, like materialistic life, like showing offs, like like they were you can find that they were most in the minimalistic life, and they were much more interested in their activities. The much you have passion in your activities, whatever you are doing, your brain would start to think about that. Your brain would get the direction that where you want to work, what you want to work. So next comes, once you have set your direction, once your brain has got direction, it comes that your brain will always automatically have some ideas. So you have to work on those ideas, you have to do some small experiments. Maybe it would be cost oriented, so sometimes you have to try on small experience, try to do small innovations experiences, and through that you will get to reach a higher level in your activities, whatever you are performing right now. So friends, I hope this was helpful to you, and these points, these were very much essential and very basic points that I have put here, and it would help you if you follow this video and try on things accordingly. Your brain would activate within 1 or 2 months, and it would help you to understand your capabilities and progress better in your activities. So friends, hope this was helpful to you, and hope I'm just keeping a hope that you would try these points in your life, and do comment on my underneath my channel to tell me about how it helped you in your life, and how you all are achieving your goals and bringing your creativity. If there is some other points that should be added to my discussion, you're always welcome to write down and comment below and share it to me. So thank you friends, bye bye for today, love you all.